filter function. The filter function is a Python. First, I am audible.
Yes, sir.
The filter function in Python takes in a function and list as argument. Filterize is what? That is what, like you can say it is filterizing the particular element. ଯେମିତି କି ଆମେ ୱାଟର ପ୍ୟୁରିଫାଇ କରୁ ସେମିତି ଏଇଟା ବି ଫିଲ୍ଟର କରିବ। ଏଇଟା କ'ଣ ଫିଲ୍ଟର କରିବ ନା ବେସ୍ଡ ଅପନ୍ ୟୁର କଣ୍ଡିସନ। तो ମୁଁ ଗୋଟେ ଲିଷ୍ଟ ପାସ୍ କଲି ମାଇ ଲିଷ୍ଟ 1 5 4 6 8 11 3 and 12. Okay, so now I pass here new list filter lambda x colon x modulo 2 is equals to 0. That means lambda function is used. It is a function which is execute without any name. So lambda function which is check that the list that I have provided here, it is divided by 2. If remainder is 0 from the list, that value it is showing you. माने ये जो list भितर जो value गुड़ा को 2 द्वारा divisible हवा से value गुड़ा को print करियो. Now check here. There. So these are the value. It is showing you what are the values are divided by divisible by 2 and remainder is 0. So it is providing you that information. Okay, so next part is
ଏଇଟା ଟିକେ ଲାମ୍ବଡା କ'ଣ ଟିକେ ବୁଝିଗଲାନି।
ଲାମ୍ବଡା କାଲି ପଢିଥିଲି। ଲାମ୍ବଡା ଫଙ୍କସନ ହେଉଛି जो फंक्शन टा विदाउट एनी नेम रे कॉल हम जमती कि आम गोटे फंक्शन डिफाइन करते से फंक्शन टा को कॉल करें आम फंक्शन नेम डिफाइन करुचे। तो ये गोटे फंक्शन इट इज एग्जीक्यूट इन टर्म ऑफ इटसेल्फ माने विदाउट एनी नेम इट इज एग्जीक्यूट। ये लाम्बडा यूज करा लाम्बडा एक्स कोलोन एक्स है गोटे वेरिएबल। तो ये एक्स टा रिप्रेजेंट करिवो कोठी एक्स मॉड्यूलो 2 इज इक्वल्स टू 0 ना माय लिस्ट लाम्बडा एक्स। तो एक्स मॉड्यूलो 2 इज इक्वल्स टू 0 एक्स टा रिप्रेजेंट करू काहाको ना ए लिस्ट टा को रिप्रेजेंट करूचे। आउ जहाँ भी वैल्यू अच्छी जोटा कि 2 द्वारा डिविजिबल अच्छी सेठी शो करिवो।
हां सर आउटपुट रे खाली जहाँ जति कि 2 द्वारा डिविजिबल होउछ सेटा ही आसियो।
हां तापर होची हमर डिफॉल्ट फंक्शन माने डिफॉल्ट आर्गुमेंट पे एठी यूज करबी def keyword then function name is suppose my function एटा my function define कराला। then suppose एठी मु लिखिबी name is equals to default value is suppose India। the function parameter, so in previous program we are passing a parameter and left it blank, but here we pass as default value is India। then it is showing you print I am from गोटे मिनट। So function name, then I call the function here. My function. Suppose here I pass, suppose Asia. My function. My function is blank. My function is suppose Brazil. So here I define the function and here I pass the parameter. Then when I run the file, see that it is showing you I am from Asia, I am from USA. But here in the function, I have not passing any kind of parameter. I am directly call the function. When I directly call the function, it is showing you India. It is a default function. It is default function. It is called. Bujala Harsha, Amit.
हाँ सर.
Yes.
Next program. The next, I show you another program that you have a question that how you have to input data in a list. So till that in a list I pass all the element. মানে আমি লিস্ট যেতবে ডিফাইন করতলো সব এলিমেন্ট at the time of declaration were initializing it, but now you have question how to initialize this element in the list. Int, then input, enter number of element, in the list. So how many element you have to add, then we pass here for I in range 0 to n, then print a plus 1. Suppose I define element int list A real n. The enter list is slash n list A. Enter the number of element in the list, suppose 4. Enter first number 20. Enter second number 30. Third number 40. Fourth number 50. Now your list is this one. बुझेला एटा जोटे हम कहला लिस्ट रे केमते एलिमेंट स्टोर कराबो फर्स्ट आम गोटे लिस्ट एमटी छाड़ले इनपुट एंटर नंबर ऑफ एलिमेंट इन द लिस्ट सपोज मु 4 छाड़ले 4 टा आसिक एन रहला तो ये 0 रु नहीं कि 4 माने 0 रु नहीं कि 3 गले हमको चारटा एलिमेंट स्टोर करवा एंटर द नंबर ऑफ एलिमेंट फॉर्मेट आई र वैल्यू 0 अच्छी 0 + 1 है 1 एंटर द एलिमेंट नंबर 1 तो आई पासिंग ए वैल्यू इनपुट एलिमेंट रे स्टोर है एलिमेंट रे स्टोर है पर मु लिस्ट रे एलिमेंट को ऐड करिया कहले लिस्ट ए डॉट अपेंड मेथड यूज कर दे देन आई र वैल्यू इंक्रीमेंट है ये 1 अच्छी देन अगेन इंक्रीमेंट है 2 माने 0 टा इंक्रीमेंट है 1 1 + 1 है 2 तो देखला एंटर द नंबर ऑफ एलिमेंट 2 तो एमती मतलब चार्टा एलिमेंट मुझे स्टोर कली स्टोर कलापर सब एलिमेंट स्टोर है मु प्रिंट कली लिस्ट द एंटर एलिमेंट इन द लिस्ट इज दिस वन बुझेला
हाँ सर
प्रियदर्शिनी हर्षा बुझ पाइल The next is map. The map function in Python takes in a function and list. Okay, so map is another item. This function is called with the item in the list and new list is written which contain the item return that function for each item. Mapping. Mapping means what? If you write x colon x into 2, it is multiply the 2 with this element. It x taku mapping kala 2 2 re multiply kala 1 into 2 2 5 into 2 10 4 into 2 8 6 into 12 8 into 12 2 16 okay 11 into 2 22 3 into 2 6 12 into 2 24 so it is contain and return the mapping of an element okay so right it gives an heading map. This function applies a given function this function applies a given function to each item of an to each item of an iteratable and return the list of results. Return the list of results. So 1 into 2, 2, 5 into 2, 10, 4 into 2, 8, 8 into, okay, then 6 into 2, 12, 8 into 2, 16. Okay, there is a mapping interface. Okay, now next we move to the object orientation concept. So as object orientation concept that I think I have to discuss it. So in the object orientation, it is a software development methodology which is used to relate the real world application. It consists of class and it consists of object. Object orientation, it is a software development methodology which relates to the real world application. Real world application means now what are the application you are designed, it is based upon the human need. Okay, suppose you are for getting the money from the bank in earlier, first you have to fill up a withdrawal form, then you are going to the bank, then the bank is authorize you that you are the correct account holder or not, then the bank is giving a token, again you have to take the token and stand in a queue, then you are getting a money. For getting 100 rupees money from bank, it will take the whole day process, means you have to spend 3 to 4 hours. So it is not possible like in now that we have the busy life and uh, like in the rarely we visit the bank, if that kind of situation has come. Okay, so based upon that, in that previous scenario, based upon that, our what like software development is happened or our software is developed. The object orientation is just like that methodology which relate to the real world, and based upon that real world we develop the application. It consists of object like employees, window. Object means anything that you see in the world is called as the object. A object can have interrelationship to each other. One object have interrelationship to each other. Like when you are passing moving through a traffic, it is signaling you red, that means you have to stop. When somebody is calling you, there you are receiving a ringtone. Okay, like these are the tone, it is notifying you that somebody is calling. Like mobile is one object and you are also one object. Any tangible thing that you see in the world is called as object. So in this scenario, you are also an object and mobile phone is object. Now your mobile phone is interacting with you through the messages. If somebody is calling, that ringtone is different. If somebody is messaging, that ringtone is different. Okay, so through the messages we are using, object orientation, it involves splitting the software system into the component part and arrange this part in the hierarchy basis. Splitting the software system into the component part. That means by using of object orientation, it divides the program into a smaller part, and every part contains the sender address and receiver address. And arrange this part in the hierarchy basis. In which way you divide, in that way you have to gather. So that is called as arrange this part in the hierarchy basis. Object orientation program, it consists of class and object. Class means combination of similar type of object which share the common structure and functionality is called as the classes. Like if it is a Python class, that means I have teach, okay, I have teach what, as it is a Python class, I taught you for the Python concept only. So here I am not teaching you the other concept. That means you can say it is a related of thing. Like if you're taking an example of bike class, that means there is a picture comes to your mind, Pulsar belongs to it, KTM belongs to it, Passion Plus belongs to it, Glamour belongs to it. That means having a two wheels, and you know what is the functionality of that particular object. One object communicate with each other through the messages. That I have given an example. If somebody is calling, your mobile phone is interacting with you by sending a ringtone. So in object oriented program, object communicate with each other through the messages. Then what is object? Object means it is a material thing, means which is presented physically. It has a state. Every object is as a state. You are an object and you are having a different state. Like sometimes you are happy, when sometimes you are sorrow. So it is a different feelings, different state of that human being. Similar way, every non-living things also having a particular state. Bike, switch up, switch and running. Then every object display the behavior. If you compare the bike and car, the behavior is different. So that we call them, it is a bike and we call them it is a what, car or four-wheeler. It has a unique identity. Suppose two friends are going to the going to a mobile shop. They purchase same company mobile, same color mobile, everything has same, but their IMEI number is different. So similar way, when you purchase any mobile phone, so it is having a different serial number. If you have the same company, same color, there is no issue. So you are only get the value which is a unique. A car position at one place define its state. The car registration number shows its identity. When car moves, it shows its behavior. So similar way, every object is having its behavior, own behavior. When car moves, it is behavior. When car stop, it is one of the behavior. Now comes to the class. Combination of similar type of object which share the common structure and functionality is called as the class. If you taking an example of bike, that means there is a functionality is present in the bike class, so we consider as it is a bike. Object programming terminology, data within an object represent its state. So based upon your mark, I can calculate you are from which grade. So data is playing an important role, which is playing an important role for category. Data is termed as attribute, means for whom you are storing the information is called as the attribute, and what are the information you are storing. Okay, for whom you are storing the information is called as the entity, or what are the information you are storing, that is called as the attribute. Like if I am storing your information, your name, your contact number, those are called as the attribute, and you are called as a what? Entity, because I am storing a information for you. Then comes to the method, it have a unique behavior. So when you open your mobile phone, you are getting a lot of options like Bluetooth option, Wi-Fi option, WhatsApp option. So every option is used for a unique purpose. So method have the behavior, it contain the code to implement the behavior. When you are creating a method, it is associated using the object, and it have the set of instruction. Method is having a set of instruction to do a specific task. It implement the behavior of the object. If you want asking what are the functionalities present, the method is the solution, means every functionality is mentioned in the option wise. Got it? Ankit, Amit, Priyadarshini, Harsha, Vijayala?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
An object is called as the instance of class or part of the class. If it is a Python class, you are called as the instance of class. Like if it is a student, student 1 and 2 is called as the instance of class. A car is flashing its light to pass the message to the other car, then car is moving. Okay, now tell me the answer. Of this. What are the different state of mobile phone? Can anybody say? Silent mode, vibration mode, ringing mode is called as the state of the object. And similar way, MP3 player,
Play, pause,
play, pause, rewind, forward.
volume.
Next question. John went to shopping mall to buy some clothes. The door of the shopping mall was automatic. John went to the shopping mall to buy some clothes. The door of the shopping mall was automatic, which opened as soon as John stepped near it and closed as soon as John entered the mall. So identify the following, the possible receiver of the message. So here, who is receive the message?
Sensor.
Sensor. Or anybody? It is a door. Door is receive the message. And the possible method that receiver can use. Method means work. What the door is doing.
It's open.
It is open and
Opening
closed.
and closing.
Okay. So in next class tomorrow, I will start with the advantages of the object orientation. Then I will show you the program of object orientation in C. Okay. Chalo, bye bye.